In this video, we are going to make a strawberry mousse cake. The ingredients you need for the inside cake are strawberry juice, milk, and gelatin sheet. Soak the gelatin in ice water for about 5 minutes. Mix the strawberry juice and the milk. Microwave the mixture for about 30 seconds. Add in the soaked gelatin and mix until it melts. Pour into a cake mold. This mold is 5 inches in diameter and 2 inches in height. Freeze for about 1.5 hours. The ingredients you need for the cookie base are gluten-free flour, warm butter, sugar, salt, and an egg yolk. Whip the warm butter for 20 to 30 seconds. Mix in the sugar, salt, egg yolk, and half of the flour. Using a spatula, fold in the remaining flour. Spread it into the bottom of a cake mold. Bake at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. Let it cool and refrigerate for an hour. The ingredients you need for the cheesecake mixture are gelatin sheet, cream cheese, whipped cream, strawberry juice, milk, vanilla extract, sugar, lemon juice, and plain yogurt. Mix the cream cheese with the vanilla extract, lemon juice, sugar, and plain yogurt. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 to 10 minutes. Beat the whipped cream to soft peaks. Mix the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Microwave the soaked gelatin for about 20 seconds to melt it, and mix in some of the cheesecake mixture. Mix that back into the remaining cheesecake mixture. Measure out 150 grams of the cheesecake mixture. Mix in the milk. Mix the strawberry juice into the remaining cheesecake mixture. Pour a layer of strawberry cheesecake mixture about half an inch thick into the mold and freeze for about 20 minutes. Remove the small cake from the mold. Place it in the center of the larger cake. Pour in the remaining strawberry cheesecake mixture. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Pour the white cheesecake mixture into the cake mold. If it is too thick, microwave it for about 20 seconds. Refrigerate for at least an hour and a half. Remove the cake from the mold. Cover the top of the cake with diced strawberries. Place 3 or 4 whole strawberries on top of the diced strawberries.